Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. In this video we are going to talk about positional trading strategy. This strategy we will call it as infinity strategy. In this strategy we are able to make very good returns in positional tradings. Most of the people they are requesting me to provide some kind of strategy in positions. People who wanted to go for long term, who wanted to make money without doing intraday, for them this strategy will help. I hope you guys can understand complete strategy and you guys can get benefited from this strategy. We are going to discuss step by step how to proceed and what is the benefits from this strategy, how it is going to execute. Because in my experience, past 4 to 5 years, I'm using this strategy and I'm able to make very good returns using this strategy. So that hopefully this will helpful for everyone who is going for positional tradings. This is a infinity infinity diagram. It is it is my own strategy. This is giving very good returns. In past 4 to 5 years, I'm telling you very clearly, and also try to understand every step by step why I'm giving this kind of figures and numbers, everything. This is completely a logic. We have to play with a logic where we can make the profits very good manner. So if you take here for example, if you take any stock, for example, we are taking here, for example, we are buying a 100 quantity here. We are buying 100 quantity here, in entry position we are buying 100 quantity. So most of the people we have seen that most of the people they are exiting at certain point of time. After exiting, the stock is moving up and it is giving more returns once you exit from the market. And also once you go down, people are averaging the stock and also they are getting a lot of losses. So to overcome all these problems, to overcome all these situations, this video will help you. This video will make you to understand, will make you to maximize your profit and minimize your losses. So see, in this video we are not talking about how to select a stock for positional trading. Here we are only talking about after choosing a stock, how to play with the stocks. You can do your own analysis, you can choose the stock. See, if you see here, we have entered here with 100 quantity. Try to understand the logic why I am using here. See, if it is a plus 20%, if the stock price moves to plus 20%, whatever you have bought the quantity, see, I'm giving here the percentages and numbers, everything very clearly. If you bought 1000 quantity, if you bought a 20 quantity, according to that you can apply these numbers. The total quantity whatever you have by 1.3, then it will come 76 quantity. If it is up 20%, then you have to sell this 76 quantity so that you can book here profit, but remaining 24 quantity will be remain in our account. Will remain in our account. So in this strategy you have to follow very clearly that whatever the quantity you are going to buy here, if it is a 20 quantity, if it is a 100 quantity, if it is a 1000 quantity, 1000 quantity by 1.3 is equal to whatever the value you are going to get. That quantity you have to exit once the stock moves to 20%. How to track this 20% or minus 10%, all these things we are going to discuss now. Tracking things I'm going to tell. And see, once the stock moves to 20%, just for example assume that the stock moved to 20% positive and we exited from there. 76 quantity, I mean 1.3 quantity by 1.3 equal to 76 quantity we exited. Now we have remaining 24 quantity left out with our account. If you see here, if the stock is moving to another 20% up, then exit all the quantities, then book your profits so that you will get like 40% profit. If you look into the stocks like blue chip stocks, where the fluctuation rate is very high, it is moving up 20% and moving down 20 to 25% down. So in this kind of trend, you have to find out and you have to identify a stock, you have to enter the identifying stock and finalizing stock and entry point and exit point, find outing, all these things we are covering in technical analysis classes. So this is just a technique to maximize your profits. Okay, you guys can use this technique on your stocks. Okay, if the stock is moving down, okay, if the stock is moving down 20%, so you can buy here. Okay, we should not buy more quantity, like by investing your money into different stocks. Okay, you can use this strategy for every stock. Since you have bought here 100 quantity, buy 2 is 50 quantity, so you are going to buy here 20 quantity. I'm sorry, it's a 50 quantity you are going to buy here. Okay, if the stock price is minus 20%, after that, for example, if the stock is going, okay, again minus 20% means that it is like completely 40% stock is going down. So it is like we have to exit. Okay, since this is like completely wrong entry, because you have failed to select a right stock. If it is a blue chip stock, if it is a stock which is performing in a good way, in a good positive way, it won't go 40% minus. Okay, so you have to exit here. Okay, there are more chances to go down. If the stock is going 40% down, there may be chances to go down 70 to 80%. So you have to exit over here. Okay, if the stock is moving from here, it is like minus. If the stock is recovering, most of the time the stocks will fall under, blue chip stocks will fall under this kind of scenario. The stock will fall, okay, 20% down. Okay, people they will wait for another fall, like 30%, 35% fall. Then they will go and accumulate the stock. That is not the right way. Once the stock is fall down 20%, just you go ahead and accumulate. Okay, the percent whatever we have given here, 50 stocks. Okay, once the stock is moved up, okay, once the stock is moved up here, just sell 75 quantity. Since we bought here 50 quantity, but we are selling here 75 quantity to overcome the losses. Okay, if the stock again fall down again 20%, okay, it is like for us it is very benefit. Okay, in over a period of time, by using this strategy, you can earn very good money. Okay, you can make very good profits. Okay, if you invest complete amount on one stock, if you invest complete amount on different stock, if you are exiting, if it is breaking the stock, you are exiting, and if it is going up, you are exiting. You are selling complete stock, then you don't make good profit. Okay, you have to use this kind of a good strategy to maximize your profit and minimize your risk. So coming to the point here, you are exited here 75 quantity, again you are left out with 75 quantity. For example, here 100 quantity you entered, and here you entered 50 quantity by 2, and here if you see here the total quantity by 2 is equal to 75 quantity you are going to exit over here. So the remaining is you have 75 quantity left out in your account. So already here we booked some profit. If the stock is moving in a positive direction, so here we are going to sell it out. Quantity by 1.2 is equal to 62 quantity. If the stock is moving down 20%, again you are going to buy 1.2 is equal to 37%. 37 quantity you are going to again re-enter. So these kind of strategies you have to play. Okay, you have to play this kind of strategies, so it will be very useful. Okay, whatever we are giving here, ending up, that we are going to cover. This is end up. Okay, this is like ending. Okay, 1 2 3 ends we have here. Okay, there is no exit and entry points, and there is no loops for this. I am going to discuss on that also. Try to understand, okay, why I am giving this. Okay, try to take a paper and pen and write it down everything and see how you will get a result. Okay, over a period of time. Okay, if you see here, okay, if you see here 20% we sold again. Okay, so here we booked 20%, and again here we booked 20% for 62 stocks, and again see here, if it is going 20%, okay, you can exit here. So I mean that, okay, the stock whatever you are going to buy, you have to split into different boxes. okay, different boxes, so that you are going to exit every one box. Whenever the stock is moving up, you are going to exit. If the stock reaches at high level, there is more probability chances to gain market, okay, to gain market over a period of time. See, we have seen these kind of scenarios a lot of time when government is moving in a positive direction. When you get new government, the stocks moves positive direction. Most of the people, they will exit once they get a 15-20% profit. Okay, we should not do that kind of mistake, because we are going to miss complete profit structure. So after selling that, they will feel that we have done something wrong, we could have not sold. So by doing this kind of infinity strategy, you can maximize your profit, and you can move upward into the profit zone. That's what I am trying to explain here. Okay, if you see here, okay, you have sold here 62 quantity, you have sold here 75 quantity. Okay, but here the left out quantity is very less. Okay, the left out quantity is it is just very less. Okay, so you can exit over here if it is moving up. If it is moving down again, it is like, again here you can enter here the quantity into 2, the complete quantity into 2. The left out quantity is 13 into 2 is 26 quantity you are going to buy here. At the same time, here if you see, if it is going 20% down, okay, we have to sell 1.5%. okay, since here is a 20%, here is a 20% is down, still since we booked here profit of 20%. So again here coming to here, okay, if it is going again 10% down, this is like, wrong entry, we have to exit. Okay, we have to exit. Okay, so selection of stock is very important here. Okay, if you see here, okay, if it is going 20% up, if it is going 20% up, we have to sell 56 quantity. Okay, still you are going to end up with the 56 quantity. Okay, this round is falling under this. Okay, if you see here 56, it's around near to 62, so you have to move to this circle. Okay, you have to consider, okay, this as your circle. So the logically you have to think, you have to move to this circle. Okay, and again, okay, and again if you see this one, okay, if you see this one here, okay, the quantity into 2, 48, after that there is no loop. Okay, this one is also falling under this. Okay, around 62, this 48 also falling under this. So you can go on give here again entry. So once you are giving entry here, if it is a 20% up, you are going to exit. Okay, you exit all. Okay, if it is a 20% down, then you are going to buy again here 26 quantity plus 13, it's around 40 quantity. So you are going to fall under this box again. So this infinity strategy will give consistently very good result, okay, in over a period of time. See, if you don't want to take any risk, okay, you wanted to play a very safe role, you wanted to invest the amount over 1 year, okay, you wanted to follow just infinity chart, then this strategy will give you exact result. This strategy will make you in a profitable way. This strategy will maximize your profit. So my request is try to understand the logic, okay, how this working. Okay, try to attend my online trainings, okay, how to select, how to find out the stocks in technical analysis. Okay, I am running technical analysis classes for very less price. We are not charging much price. Okay, these technical analysis will help you, will enables you to take good decisions while playing trading. Okay, I am covering technical analysis classes like, intraday, okay, deliveries, futures, positional trading, all these things I am covering. Okay, it is giving very good positive result. So try to attend the training. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, so you will get a lot of technical videos, lot of logic videos, how these techniques is going to work out in real life. Okay, if you look into any of my technique, this gives a very good result. So please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends, share it to the people who is looking for positional tradings, all these things. Thank you so much for watching this video.